You crave that attention. You want people to admire you, you want people to be with you, and you want to be unstoppable. But how does one achieve that? While staying on the bed like that, doing absolutely nothing but telling yourself that you're making an effort by watching this video. But we're gonna change this in the next 10 minutes. Now, every single influencer I know talks about being so confident that people will actually lure themselves in. But how does one get confident?
Huh?
Now, take notes because that's what I'm going to tell you in these 6 tips in the next 10 minutes. Tip number 1, make eye contact. This is so dumb, underrated, but like eye contact makes everything so much better. Like I'm looking at you right now, you're looking at me through the screen right now. Like you feel important when someone looks at you and makes you feel like they have that interest in whatever you're yapping about. That's what you do to other people. People want to surround themselves with people that make them feel important. And many people I've talked with or I've listened to has always mentioned that I am a good listener. It's all because of the eye contact. Like I don't want to surround myself with people who like awkwardly look around and like have that awkwardness with them. Like nobody wants to be around with those types of people. Just make eye contact. Even if you're not confident, this is gonna help you look so much better. Like it's gonna help you a lot. Tip number 2, take good care of yourself. Do not take this tip lightly because it seems so ordinary, but incorporating this into your day-to-day life is very easy and very important. Like I don't want to be surrounded by people who smell bad, whose breath smells bad when they talk, or the people who have something stuck in their teeth. Like no, just use some bath scrubs or something to make yourself smell so freaking like admirable. And like I want to surround myself with people who smell good because that just gives a different type of energy lift. Every single person wants to do the same. Just clear that earwax of yours. Just put some Vaseline or lip mask on to, put out your chapped lips. Just do everything perfectly. It's easy to do, but like it's hard to maintain that consistency. Tip number 3, fix your posture. Just stand straight, keep those shoulders back, just sit straight because this is gonna bring in more order for you. It's gonna make you feel more confident. Just do that for a while, maybe 21 days, because it's gonna become a habit, and just watch that change your confidence in like so many levels. Number 4, be nice. It's literally free to be nice. Please don't be mean because mean people always get bad consequences, which results in them not having any friends or whatever. Just make sure you're very kind to people because it inspires people to be you. Like if I admire you, if you're kind 24/7, I literally just want to be you. I'm not joking. I want to be that kind. Everyone thinks the same way. Everyone wants to feel important. Everyone wants to feel nice. So you being nice is gonna help you attract more people into your life. Number 5, choose who you surround yourself with because this plays a very important role. I don't know if you notice most of the times, but bullies or like the outcasts or the mean people usually are surrounded with bad people or bad surroundings. Like keep your home tidy, like your room tidy, and surround yourself with high energy people because you surrounding yourself with like bad environment or bad people is gonna drain your energy, and that energy is not even gonna go to them. It's just gonna go to waste. You're gonna have so many self-doubts. You're gonna make yourself feel like, oh, I'm shit, I don't even want to be alive, I don't want to be around this person, I don't want to be in this surrounding. Just clean the damn room, just clear your friends up. It's not that hard. Just surround yourself with high energetic people, so when you're around them your energy is lifted too, your aura is lifted too, your everything is so highly lifted that your vibrational frequency is finally happy. This is tip number 5, and this is the most important tip. Surrounding yourself with clean and good people is definitely gonna be a game changer for you. Trust me on this. Last but not least, tip 6. This is all about dressing well and accessorizing so that you feel good about yourself. Nobody wants to be seen with ugly people. Like legit, not even the ugly people want to be seen with ugly people. Trust me on this one. Personality is important, blah blah blah. It is important, but not when it comes to like the first impressions. People are gonna see you first and then judge you on your personality. It's not the other way around. If you are ugly and you do not maintain the way you take care of yourself, I will guarantee you 9 out of 10 whole times, even if you are the nicest person possible, people wouldn't want to talk to you. Yeah, I said the word ugly. It does not mean your features, you're fat, you're short, or any of your insecurities. I mean ugly in the sense of you not taking care of yourself or you just not wanting to take care of yourself. Those are the ugly qualities I was talking about. Grow your nails, wash your hair every 2 days, just take care of your acne by using ginger shots or whatever. Just clean that earwax in your junky little ear, or use makeup and accessories if that's gonna make you feel more confident. But either ways, these 6 tips have to make you feel more confident. If not, you won't survive in this world. You'll be one of the ugly people, you'll be one of the outcasts there. I'm not trying to make you feel bad. You have to be more confident because this is gonna attract more people towards you, good people, because you take such good care of yourself. And you have to feel more confident no matter what. You shouldn't care about others' opinions. This is the only thing that I have to say to you all. One thing I want to repeat that I've already said in this video is that people look at you first, then talk to you next. You get what I mean? They look at you first. The first impression, the first look is always gonna matter. So look pretty always, and like take care of yourself always, because pretty is not always about appearance, but it helps a lot because people don't want to be surrounded with bad looking people because it damages their reputation also. I don't know why this works, but it does. Now I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching so far, and if you all learned something, please hit that like button. And if you want more videos like this, just follow up. And if you have any requests, just please put it in the comment box, and I am definitely going to be looking at them and taking them into action. I love you all so much. Bye bye.